Hey, welcome back guys, and I'm gonna be showing you how to steam your milk with the Barista Express by Breville or Sage. But this also goes for any other home espresso machine, so if you're a total beginner and you're just starting out, I'm gonna share 2 extra bonus tips, so make sure you stick out until the end of this video and let me know if you found these tips helpful. So to better understand the whole process, what I'm doing under the milk, the positioning of the wand, I'm gonna use water to explain everything first, and then we're gonna do the real thing with the milk. So you wanna start by filling up your milk jug right below the spout. So up to right about here. Okay, so next you're gonna start off by resting your steam wand onto your spout, tilting the jug to the right, burying the tip under the milk, and have it in this position at like 9 o'clock. You're gonna start off like this, and you're gonna, as soon as you see steam starting to come out, you're gonna pull the jug just a little bit down, and you're gonna start hearing that paper tear sound. Something like this. When you start hearing that paper tear sound, from that point on, you're just gonna make really small adjustments. You're gonna go up and down with the milk jug. So that's gonna be something close to this. It's just gonna be right at the surface or right below the surface. So you're gonna start making small adjustments from that point on until the milk jug is too hot to touch. So your temperature is gonna be your telling point. But in the process, you're gonna have to make sure that you don't introduce too much air, so you don't want to do that paper tear sound for too long. So just a second at a time, and then you're just gonna sink the tip back down. So that's gonna be your whole movement right here until the jug is too hot to touch, and then you're gonna turn off your steam and pour the milk. Okay, so again, you're just gonna rest your steam wand, tilt the jug to the right, slightly to the front, and you're gonna see the tip come out just barely out of the surface. That is gonna be your position for the whole process, and you're just gonna make this slight movement up and down until the milk jug is too hot to touch. This position is gonna create that vortex that we're looking for and that smooth and silky milk. Okay, so let's do this whole thing with milk now. I'm gonna pour our double shot. Now that we're done with the espresso, you can pour your milk, and make sure you use refrigerated milk. I see none of the videos mentioned this, and in the beginning I wasted a lot of attempts on room temperature milk. To right about there. Okay, so we're gonna turn the steam wand on and let it warm up. Once it warms up, we're just gonna turn it off quickly, position our jug, and turn it back on. Okay, ready? Turn it off. Fill the jug. Find this position, turn it back on. Started off with a tip buried, and then I moved the jug down a little bit, and tilting the jug to the side and to the front just a little bit, finding that paper tear position, moving it up and down. And this is going to be the whole process. I'm just going to repeat it until the jug and until the milk is too hot. You see how we created that vortex? And now the milk is getting a little bit too hot, turning it off. Make sure to wipe the steam wand right after, so that the milk doesn't get too hard and dry, because it's gonna be harder to clean it up afterwards. And purge the steam out. Okay, so don't wait too long to pour your milk after you steam it. You see how it sticks to the side? That's a good sign. Start high, mix your milk with the espresso, and then lower your jug and just make a small wrist movement, and there you go. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments which of these tips helped you the most, or if you have any questions, let me know. I try and answer every one of you. And if you found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'm gonna be releasing a lot more tutorials on coffee and espresso, so stay tuned, and until next video, see ya.